Alright, Hurricane Phoenix is complete. There was a little hairline crack here. I don't think it is broken through, but there was a hairline crack, so I patched it. Same way I did my other patches. Crack on the side. It went through here and up that way a little bit. It's patched on the outside, and on the inside we have some of this tape. This is the duct tape that AC guys use. It's not duct tape like the stuff you buy at Dollar Tree. This is heavy duty. It's got aluminum backing on it, and you have to peel the inside. But it's got this rubbery, this really rubbery stuff to it, so that it when you put it on the inside, it actually conforms and fills in, and it seals it. I had bought some of this stuff that was for patching inflatables, but the part on the outside was not the aluminum. It was just like a mesh, and when you touched it, actually when you touched it, you still felt all that gooey mess. But anyway, I mean, you can see there's a little lumpy, and I mean, it doesn't matter. It's sealed. Here we go. This is the front. This has probably had about 6 or 8 coats. So besides being a patch, it's a keel guard. Because there was as you remember, there was a big old crack going along here, from about here to about here. That's why I went the extra mile and did a little extra to it. There's these stupid little hairs in here that kept coming off the brush, and being out here in the bright sunlight, I couldn't see them, but I don't care. They're structure. But for all intents and purposes, the Hurricane Phoenix is done. And if you work for Hurricane, take some of the shavings from your cutoffs, mix it in acetone, and you can just paint on the surface that you need. I mean, it might not be pretty. I mean, of course, if you take your time, maybe practice a little bit, you probably could get it pretty. But I have every confidence in that patch. So now that the repairs are done, I can start the restoration. But before that, I'm going to test it. Put some water in it. I'm going to test it. What is that? Chunk of foam. Here's a loose chunk of foam. I didn't know y'all put foam on the inside. This one is falling over. I don't know if I'll be able to reach that. There's a hunk of foam in here that conforms to the seat, fits inside here. What do I have that I can reach? Actually, let me grab the camera and show you. See that hunk of foam right there? I'm guessing it goes over the keel. This thing is so far in I can't reach it. So I'm gonna whack it. Let you wash your hands as I attempt to I'm guessing that's where it goes. I see we all had put some Hurricane had put some sort of adhesive on the top. you go. Well, that's back in place. Now I'm going to use the camera to look back here because I've never looked behind this. Oh, there's another one. Another one right there. So that's a look at the inside of Hurricane Phoenix. This side you'll see my patch. That's the tape that I was talking about right there. This nasty foam, I don't know if that's factory or not, but I'll be taking this off and I'm gonna replace it with some EVA foam. All of the deck rigging is just weather beaten. I'm not sure how old the Phoenix is, but I went on the Hurricane website and they don't even list it anymore, so maybe this is one of their first. I have no clue what this is. I was told it was a rod holder or something. Maybe I'll just take that off, patch it, and then replace it with a Scotty mount. Maybe a flush one like these. I got one with a flip top that'll probably fit right there. But I don't like the way the pad eyes are put in with the plastic. See, these are put in with screws. I guess that's because you can reach them. Oh, here's the rod holder. I've got some of those, so I'll replace that. Yeah, this is, oh, I guess there's some deck rigging that went. I'm not even sure what that's supposed to look, where that's supposed to be. Looks like it goes like that. Oh, maybe that's an anchor trolley. Oh, is that what that is? The leftovers of an anchor trolley? Yep, that's what it looks like. Yep, got silicone in the top. The Jack, the guy I got this kayak from, because of all the old lines that are on here, all this rigging is just worn out. All the bungees, all the rigging. I'll redo all of it. Got the rudder system on it, which I like. Alright. The repairs are done. Time to do a little prettying up on it. And I mean, for all intents, it's ready. It's water ready. Speaking of water ready, here we go. Here, let's see, what are we testing first? We're testing the back. So let me elevate the front with, elevate the front to get the water to go to the back. At least enough water to let's see. No water, no leakage, no nothing. Nothing's wet. Alright, I'm gonna I'm going to see if you can see from there. Back of the boat from there. Alright, I'm going to lift the front of the boat. Tell me if you see any leaks. Dry, dry, dry. Alright, now I'm going to switch and test the front. Let's get you over here. Just the front of the boat. Yep. Alright, let me take this off of here. Back. There goes the water. Any leaks? No leaks. Yep, full of water all the way up here. There's about 3 inches of water in here. Not a drop coming out. I'm gonna lift it a little higher. My hands are dusty, so if there was or anything got wet, you'd see it right away. Like this finger's wet. I stuck it in there. Now we're going to test the side repair. This is the side right here. What the hell? Oh, that's where I put the water hose up there. That was scary. Alright, now I'm going to turn it on the side. Let the water run through here. Leaking. So I can hold it there while I go around the other side. Let's see. Yep, the water's right here. Let's make sure the water goes all the way back and forth. Yep, that's a lot of water in there. Alright, now 100%. Patches are done. Oh.